Are you a teenager in 2025 who wants to make real money without waiting until you're an adult? I'm not talking about babysitting, mowing lawns, or working a boring part-time job. I'm talking about legit online income streams that teens are using right now to make hundreds, even thousands of dollars every single month. If you're tired of saying, "I'm broke," while your friends are stacking cash, stick around, because I'm about to break down the best ways to make money as a teen this year. First up, the biggest opportunity in 2025, AI side hustles. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other platforms are exploding. And here's the crazy part. Most adults have no idea how to use them properly. That's where you come in. As a teen, you're already more tech-savvy than most adults, and you can actually charge people for your knowledge. Here's how. Sell custom AI prompts on sites like PromptBase. Offer AI homework help or tutoring for classmates who don't get it. Make resumes, essays, or cover letters using AI and save people hours of stress. I've literally seen teens selling done-for-you essays for $20 to $50 each. And if you're fast with AI, you can crank them out in minutes. That's insane profit. So if you want to start small but scalable, learn AI better than anyone around you and turn that knowledge into cash. This is the easiest place to start. So now that we've covered AI, the next best side hustle is social media. And this one is blowing up for teens in 2025. Social media isn't just for scrolling and posting selfies. It's a real money-making machine. And no, you don't need 1 million followers to cash out. You can make money with faceless TikTok or Instagram theme pages that post viral content, clipping viral videos with tools like CapCut or Opus Clip and reposting them. Managing local small business accounts. People literally pay teens just to post for them. Most teens think you need to be famous to make money online. But that's wrong. I've seen kids making anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month from faceless accounts alone. Combine this with AI tools that make editing and captions 10 times faster, and you're basically printing money from your laptop or phone. And if you want to take things to the next level, the next best side hustle is freelancing and selling digital products. This one can seriously grow into a full-time income. Freelancing and digital products are where teens are really leveling up in 2025. You can design logos, banners, or social media graphics for businesses. Make and sell digital templates like Instagram planners, Notion templates, or resumes. Offer services like video editing, voiceovers, or even simple coding projects. The best part? You don't need a degree or years of experience. Start small, build a portfolio, and watch the cash flow in. Some teens are making $1,000 to $5,000 per month, and if you scale, it can get even bigger. Here's the truth. 2025 is the year teens stop waiting and start making serious money online. Whether it's AI side hustles, social media pages, or freelancing, there's no excuse not to start today. Pick one method, learn it, take action, and don't overthink it. The earlier you start, the faster you grow. If you want more insane teen money hacks, tips, and online side hustles like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, your future self will thank you when your bank account is stacking up.